Our class now on analytics and application. Okay? चलो. तो अभी हमको करना क्या है?
I'm excited.
Now I'm going to ask you one simple question. You have to just think and answer. Today I'm not going to write anything anywhere. Okay? No, nothing is going to be written on any PPT or on a board or anything. I want you all to listen, put it in your head, and answer.
Is that the book?
Okay? Vihan, sit down.
Why not?
Vihan, sit down. Get back to class. Okay. My first question. What is 5 minutes to 10 o'clock? 9:55, correct. 9:55. 5 minutes to 10 o'clock is 9:55. Okay, pay attention and answer. Pay attention, pay attention. I am a shopkeeper and I have 10 kgs of rice. I am a shopkeeper and I have 10 kgs of rice. I sold 2 kgs last week and 3 kgs this week. How many kgs are left with me now?
3 kgs. 5. 5.
10. Who said 10?
Can you repeat?
I am a shopkeeper and I have 10 kgs of rice. Last week, I sold 2 kgs and this week I sold 3 kgs. So how many kgs are left?
5 kg, ma'am. 5.
5 kgs, that's right. Okay. Vihan, you leave the book so you can pay attention to what I am saying. Okay, everybody sit up straight. Ranveer, you have to stop sleeping on your table like that. Okay, next. The price of a TV is 10,000 rupees. Okay. The shopkeeper allowed a discount of 1,000 rupees. So now what is the price of the TV?
9,000 and
9,000.
Tanishka, you didn't understand? What you didn't understand? You didn't understand the language or you didn't understand how to solve it?
How to solve it?
Why you didn't understand how to solve it? It's so straight. Listen. The
can you repeat?
The cost of a TV is 10,000. Cost of a TV is 10,000 rupees. अब discount देते हैं तो क्या होता है उस discount से? When you go to buy dress and there is a discount, उसका मतलब क्या है?
Minus.
Pranav, wait. Tanishka is answering. Tanishka, if there is a discount, discount का मतलब क्या है?
Minus some money.
Minus the money, no. Discount का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of discount?
When the festivals and that are there are discounts.
I didn't understand.
Minus.
Repeat.
When the festivals like Diwali and that is
I
there.
didn't ask you कि discount कब आता है. मैंने पूछा discount का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of discount?
Minus.
Minus? Discount means minus?
Yes, minus money.
Can I say?
Yes, Subhan. What is the meaning of
And
discount?
the answer is count means that if it is 10,000, we can keep it at 8,000 rupees because to sell it for low cost.
You can tell me what is the meaning of discount? Pranav, discount का मतलब क्या है?
Ma'am, the thing low cost. Ma'am, this.
Subhan, when one person is talking, the other person has to be quiet. Otherwise, there'll only be noise. Yes, Pranav. What is the meaning of discount?
Ma'am, this means the minus, and count means the which things from that one minus.
Ranveer, what is the meaning of discount?
And discount is getting less.
Getting less. Vihan, what is
Ma'am,
the
3/4 of the price.
what? Discount means what? Vihan, I asked you what is the meaning of discount? Vihan, I asked you what is the meaning of discount?
Less price.
Less price. Prana, what were you saying? You were saying something closer.
Ma'am, they give 3/4 of the price.
Okay. Discount means some amount less than the original price. Correct? What is the meaning of discount? Discount means a certain amount which is less from the original price. Okay? We agree? Now, Tanishka, if a TV is costing 10,000 rupees and the discount is 1,000 rupees, then what is the selling price of the TV?
9,000.
So why did you not understand it earlier? You know why? Because you just have to pay attention to what I'm saying. Then you have to start to visualize it. You have to start to think.
9,900.
You have to start to think. टीवी है, टीवी का ये प्राइस है, प्राइस इतना डिस्काउंट है, तो एक्चुअल प्राइस क्या है? I have not started giving you complicated numbers. I'm giving you straight numbers, so it is easy for you to just count. Subhan, stop fiddling with the phone. Subhan, stop fiddling with the phone. Okay. Next question. Vihan, sit up straight. Next question. If the shoe price in the store is 5,000, if the shoe price in the store is 5,000 rupees and the shoe price on the discount stall is 4,000 rupees, what is the discount?
1,000 rupees.
1,000.
Rupees, correct. Very good. Understand the others. Did you understand the answer? Vihan, Ranveer, Tanishka, did you understand? Ranveer, are you in class today? Because you seem lost. Are you in class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what happened? Go wash your face, drink some water and come back. You're not looking active. Tanishka, did you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain it to me?
In the shoe store, there is one shoes for 5,000.
There is not
And
listen, there is not one shoe. एक ही जूता लेते हैं क्या? We buy a pair of shoes, right? So if you want to say that, you will say there is a pair of shoes which is for 5,000. But I just said shoes.
there is shoes pair for 5,000. And they give for 4,000. What will be the discount? Then from 5 I cancel 4. And 1 because of Friday. I tell it 1,000.
Okay. All right. Next question of mine. I bought these earrings from the store for 500 rupees. When I checked it on the internet, it was for 400 rupees. Now, how much is it lesser on the internet?
4,600.
Yo, 4,600. I never said 1,000. I said I bought these from the store. It was for 500 rupees. When I checked it on the internet, it was for 400 rupees. By how much less is it shown on the internet?
4,500.
100.
Give the right answer. It is showing
100.
okay. It is showing less by 100 on the internet. Okay. Next one. Next one. My bank savings are 1,500 in the month of June. Okay. In the month of June, my bank savings are 1,500. I really needed money in the month of July and I withdrew 500. What is my bank balance right now?
1,000.
1,000. How much sound is not coming to you?
2,000.
Of course it is coming. I heard you say 1,000. Ranveer, did you get the answer? Ranveer, leave the phone.
Yes, ma'am. 1,000.
Okay. Pranav is going to host a birthday party. Okay. His cake costs 500 rupees.
What?
Pranav is going to host a birthday party.
I want to go to.
His cake, listen to the question, Vihan. The cake costs 500 rupees. The paper plates cost 50 rupees. The paper cups cost another 50 rupees. The little candle cost another 50 rupees. Now, the decorations that he has to put up in his house cost another 50 rupees. What is the total expense for his...
700. 700.
Good, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pakka? Because everybody else knows it is 700. Pakka na, Pranav?
Yes, Pakka.
Okay,
I can tell you it.
all right. Now, I have moved into a new house and I am redecorating my house.
Ma'am, what, ma'am? Repeat.
I have moved into a new house and I am redecorating my house. Okay. I decided to buy on a few things and the list are like this. A dining table, 35,000. Okay. A bed, 10,000. My sofa set, 20,000. What is the total cost so far?
65,000.
65,000. 65,000.
47,000.
47. Ranveer, how did you get 47? Tanishka, don't write it on the table,
35.
Baba. She. Keep it here. You know what? Fold your hands and sit like this. Just fold them and sit like this. Now just keep it here. Okay?
Mom.
Ma'am, repeat the cost.
Please, you're spoiling the table. Don't do that.
Ma'am, repeat the cost. Repeat the cost.
Who can repeat the cost for me? How much was my dining table? 30,000. How much was my sofa?
20,000.
Sofa was 20. Okay. Sofa is 20. How much was my
35.
Ma'am, the bed is 10,000.
Okay. My dining table is 30. My bed is for 10.
30, no, 35.
Sorry, 35. Okay, I repeat. The bed is for 35,000. The
55,000.
Baba, either you all
55,000.
I know you all are excited that I am redecorating my house. But now you also talk, I also talk. I am getting confused. Who wants to tell what are the cost of things in my house now? Yes, Subha, go.
Bed is 10,000. Sofa set is 20,000. And dining table was 35,000.
Thank you. I thought I got messed it up all in my head. So 35,000, 20,000 and 10,000. How much is it?
65,000.
Got it, Ranveer? It is not 47, 65,000. Vihan, are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, these are the main goods that I need in my house. Now, check out few more white goods that I'm going to buy. Who knows what are white goods? Who knows what are called white goods? Yes, Subhan, what are white goods?
Ma'am, we write with black marker on it.
What?
We write with a black marker on a whiteboard.
No, re Baba. What is the meaning of white goods? White goods means what? White goods means most of the electronic items in the house are called white goods. Learn this, okay? The electronic items that you have in the house, they are called white goods. Like, what are the electronic items you have in your house? Who can tell me?
Light bulb. TV.
Machine.
Phone.
Light and
machine.
bulb work on electricity. They are tiny items. They are not called white
A
goods.
machine. A machine. Fridge.
Washing machine.
Fridge.
Fridge. Yes. Now you're talking. TV.
Ma'am, this
Washing
machine.
fridge, TV, microwave.
Tailoring machine.
Tanishka, don't
Ma'am,
scream.
this machine.
Talk. Don't scream.
Ma'am, tailoring machine.
So, what are the white goods that you have in your house? Washing machine, fridge, microwave, TV. These are white goods. Now, I want white goods if I'm moving into my new house. Now, I'm going to give you the cost of my white goods. Okay? Fold your hands and keep the numbers over here. Now, my TV costs 20,000. Okay? My washing machine is for another 20. And my fridge is like for 35. Okay? I really got a very fancy fridge. What is the total of my white goods?
75,000.
How much?
75,000.
75?
No, I can't.
80,000.
80?
80,000.
Hey, decide, yaar. I gave you all the correct price.
Ma'am,
I
just
can't keep going
repeat the
whatever you
question.
feel
I
like.
don't understand.
75. I'm 75.
Ma'am, wait.
I'm waiting only. I'm waiting. Because unless you guys
Ma'am,
approve,
repeat. Ma'am, repeat.
you guys
Repeat the
approve, I
question.
cannot
Ma'am.
go ahead and pay. You guys have to
Ma'am,
come.
repeat the question.
I'm saying
66,000.
20
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is another question, no? Ma'am, it is not a first question.
I am
55,000.
still redecorating my house, okay? I am still redecorating my house.
Are they 65? 65 plus 65.
Ma'am,
You have
just
to add.
repeat your white.
Children, you don't have to add white goods to the other beddings right now. Just total my white goods and tell me how much it is.
75,000.
65,000.
Some are saying
55,000.
65, some are saying
65,000.
70,
75,
80.
ma'am. 75.
See, another one is
Ma'am, it's
75.
75. Pakka. It's 75. Pakka. Yeah. Agreed. 75.
55 it is.
65. Agreed. 65.
How come 55, Subhan?
So what is the
55.
cost of my TV?
So
30,000.
20.
20. 20,000.
Okay. What is the cost
Yeah.
of my fridge?
35,000.
35. 35,000.
35,000.
What other things did I buy?
TV.
TV
Yes,
20, fridge 35. What other things did I buy?
ma'am, nothing. 75,000 I am paying.
55,000.
55,000.
65,000. 65,000.
Didn't I buy a washing machine?
Yes.
Ma'am, TV and washing
It's
machine
for
is for 20 and
20,000.
fridge is for 35 to 65,000. No.
What is the cost
40
of my
plus
TV?
35, 65.
What is the cost of my TV?
TV
20.
cost
I will tell it,
20,000.
Pranav. I will tell it. 20.
Okay. So Tanishka, what is the cost of my washing machine?
20.
What is the cost of my fridge?
35.
What is the total cost of my white goods?
75.
Agreed?
Agreed.
Ranveer, tell me what will be the total of 20 plus 20?
40.
Now 40 plus 30?
40 plus 30, 70,
70 plus 5.
75.
So
Ma'am,
TV is 20, washing machine is 20, and fridge is 35. So Ranveer, what is the total?
75,000.
Agreed? You sit up.
ma'am,
straight,
my
you will be
answer
able
is
to think.
correct. Ma'am, my answer was correct.
Okay. Now listen carefully. I need to buy some beddings and furnishings. Okay? Beddings and furnishings for the house. I need to buy beddings and furnishings for the house. No, Tanishka, stop writing on the table. Stop writing on the table. Stop. Oh, eeks, that's really dirty. No writing on the table. You want to write, you write in a book, but I don't want you all writing anywhere right now. Now, I want to buy some beddings and furnishings. Okay? Here I go. Start keeping it in your hand. Fold your hands. Sit straight. Let everything get into your head. My curtains. I buy a whole set of curtains for the entire house, and that's for 10,000. Okay? I buy some flower vase. All these flower vase together are for 5,000. I buy some decorative items. So I can keep it some on the table, some on the shoe stand, some in the corner to put some lights and everything. All those together are for 5,000. Okay? I need some hand towels. All my towels together are for 8,000. Okay? Now, I also want a kitchen rack, R-A-C-K, kitchen rack, where I can put the plates and dishes and cups and everything. Okay? My kitchen rack is for 5,000. I'm going to repeat myself now. My curtains are for 10,000. My flower vase are for 5,000. The decorative items are for 5,000. The towels are for 8,000. And the kitchen rack is for 5,000. What is the total cost? I want Vihan,
33,000.
I want Vihan to answer.
Calculated.
Vihan, I'm waiting for you to answer.
I'm calculated.
Do you have all the information I gave you, Vihan? Have you stored it inside here? Curtains are for 10,000. Flower vase is for 5,000. Decoratives are for 5,000. Towels are for 8,000. And kitchen rack is for 5,000. Now you tell me, what is the cost of my beddings and furnishings? Vihan, you're going to answer. Nobody else will answer.
Yep, I'll answer me.
I'm waiting for you to give me the total. Chalo.
What is the total?
Have you added it up over here? Have you added it in your head?
Mom, please repeat the question.
Vihan, I'm waiting for you to answer. We can't go ahead unless you answer.
Please repeat.
Vihan, are you listening to me? No, Vihan, you're not listening to me. You're looking at something else and paying attention elsewhere.
I'm listening to me.
No shouting. We'll talk softly in the class.
I'm listening to you.
I already repeated myself twice. This is the last time I'm repeating myself. Curtains are for 10. Flower vase is for 5. Decoratives are for 5. Towels are for 8. And kitchen rack is for 5. What is the total?
10 plus 8 is 18, 23, 28, and 33 rupees.
So why were you not answering me earlier?
I don't know.
I knew it. I knew it would be 33,000.
Okay. Now, because I bought all these things for almost a lakh, I got a discount of 20,000. I'm going to give you the total of what I bought, and I'm also going to let you know the discount so you can tell me what I have to pay on my credit card. Are you all ready to listen?
Yes.
I'm just going to go on with the numbers, okay? I'm just going to go on with my numbers, okay? Are you ready?
Yes. No.
You cannot write it down anywhere. No writing it down anywhere. You write and you're going to solve it, then you're disqualified. Okay? Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Hands in the air. Here I go. My initial cost of bed, sofa, and dining table was 65,000. Then I bought white goods for 75,000. Then I bought furnishings for 33,000. What is the total amount?
I don't know.
Because unless you all tell me the actual total amount, I will not be able to pay on the credit card.
169,000.
65 plus 75 plus 33. Please recheck. No writing it down. Vihan, you cannot write it down. You have to use this.
Ma'am, 173,000.
68,000.
168. 173. Somebody is telling me something else. Hello. I'm buying from the same
Ma'am,
shop, the same goods.
Ma'am, 173,000.
Ranveer, what is your answer?
173. I rechecked it and number 173.
Yeah, Subhan, what is your answer?
1,63,000.
Please explain to me 163.
1,68,000. Sorry, 63 also not.
Acha, so then explain to me 168.
Ma'am, 65 5 plus 75.
65 plus 75 कितना हुआ? 65 plus 75 कितना हुआ?
75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 135, 135 is done. 33 and
Oh my God, you're adding horribly confusing.
5,000.
Ah,
is equal to 50. Then 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. 168.
Ranveer, what are the can you just repeat all the numbers for me?
75,000, 35,000, 33,000.
65,000,
35 not 30.
65,000, 75,000, 33,000. Last chance, please add kar lo.
Ma'am,
65.
175,000, ma'am. Correct. Ma'am, 175,000.
175.
168. 173. 173. Pranav.
175, Tanishka.
Ranveer, you're just saying whatever Pranav is saying.
Oh,
Pranav changed his answer, you also changed your answer. We have another 3 minutes to go. Vihan, what is your answer?
175,000. 175,000.
173.
let me practice it.
175.
How can it be 175 when it is 75 plus 65 plus 33? Already वहाँ पे 3 आ चुका है, तो वो 75 कैसे हो सकता है? One place में 5 plus 5 plus 3 है. 5 plus 5 plus 3 में 5 ending कैसे आएगा?
How come 5? It will be 13, 1 carry, it will be there 3, then 6 plus 1 is equals to 7, 7 plus 7 is equals to 14, 15, 16, 17, add 3. Answer is 173. I have explained everything.
Correct. Tanishka is correct. And I like the way she explained also. Carry forward 1
Ma'am.
plus everything. Cool. Yes.
Ma'am, I
Pooja.
was also telling from starting 173.
I never
But
told you
after
wrong.
you change your answer.
You and
I was
Ranveer
shouting.
both of you said 173, but I never said you all were wrong. I never said you all were wrong. Why did you change it to 175?
Yes.
I forgot.
First I got 173, then I changed it to
Ma'am,
175.
one
Why
last
did you change
question,
it?
ma'am, fast.
Ranveer, you cannot write it on the book. If you're going to solve it on the book, you're disqualified. Move that book aside. Keep
Ma'am,
it in your
last,
pen there.
ma'am, last question, ma'am, last question, ma'am, fast.
One last question. Quick. Come on. Dimag mein jara jor dalo. On 173, I got a discount of 20,000. What is the total amount I paid on my credit card?
What? I didn't hear anything.
On 1,73,000, I got a discount of 20,000. How much did I pay finally on my credit card?
1,53,000.
Ma'am, 1,53,000.
Yes.
Ma'am, one more, ma'am, 1 minute is left.
1 minute is left. One more question. Here you go. Okay. What is 15 minutes to 10:30?
What is
Ma'am,
15?
ma'am, quarter to 10.
15 minutes to 10:30. 10:30 होने में 15 मिनट है.
10, 15, 10, 15, 10, 15,
Very
10,
easy.
15.
It is about the language. It is about the language. Put it in the easiest language that you can understand. Next question. I think we have another few seconds. Next question. What is half an hour to 7 o'clock?
Half an hour to
6:30.
6:30. Today you all woke up 10 minutes past 7. What was the exact time you woke up?
And 6:50.
30.
Today you all woke up 10 minutes past 7. What time did you wake up?
7:10.
7:10.
7:10.
7:10. One last question for the day, and then you will go wash your hands, wash your eyes, drink your snacks, take your washroom break and everything. Last question. We are 6 people on the screen. How many total eyes on the screen?
I think
12.
12. 6 and 2 is equals to 12. 6 and 2 is equals to 12.
Okay. Okay. After application class is over, today what we learned in the application class? How do you actually do transactions in a shop with simple addition and subtraction? Okay. Next time, before the shopkeeper does calculation on his calculator, you should start using it on your head. Okay. In the next class, I am not going to give zero ending numbers. Now I will start giving numbers which are going to be ending in odd or even numbers, whole numbers. Okay. Then we are going to do some shopping to see how quickly you all can add or subtract. Okay. Chalo. Go take your 10-minute break, snack break. Chalo. Relax. बहुत दिमाग लगा लिया.